Have you ever really contemplated the true cost of not having an estate plan? Or do you even know what an estate plan actually is? Well, an estate plan is what you have in place that will take care of you if something should happen to you while you're alive, and that will make sure that your loved ones are properly taken care of when your time comes and you go to meet your maker. In this video, I want to just talk about that, the silent cost of not having an estate plan. So of not having a will, of not having a trust, of not having a power of attorney, so that if something should happen to you, you have someone to make those decisions for you. My name is Megan Truick, and I am the Estate Planning Director here with the Law Office of Brian Fagan, where I help people like you every day plan for their future and also plan for their legacy. So what are some of these silent costs that nobody really sees when it comes to estate planning? First, I want to talk about not having a power of attorney in place if something should happen to you. So a power of attorney is both medical and financial. You can have your financial power of attorney that will kick in if you become incapacitated. Therefore, if something should happen to you, someone can pay your rent, pay your light bill, pay your mortgage, and just make sure that your life doesn't fall apart just because you are in a compromised situation. And then you have the medical power of attorney that comes in place if you need someone to make medical decisions for you if you are indeed incapacitated. So what are those costs that nobody really talks about? The cost of getting a guardianship if you don't have a medical power of attorney or if you don't have a financial power of attorney. If something should happen to you and you don't have those things in place, someone will have to go spend minimum $5,000 in order to become your guardian, and they have to wait 3+ months to make that happen. So think about the time, think about the expense, and think about those things that you may not even consider when it comes to your estate planning. Many people just think about wills, or many people just think about when they pass away. But for many of us, the struggle really comes around while we're here. And secondly, I want to talk about the cost of not having a trust in place. Many people just think about a will. Okay, when I pass away, then they can take this will to probate. But did you really think about the cost of just having a will? You may be thinking, I'm trying to save them by having a will. Well, having a will is the first step, but you have to think about the probate of that will. What does the probate of a will cost? The probate of a will usually costs anywhere from $3,000 to infinity dollars, because you don't know who is going to challenge your will. You don't know if you're going to end up in litigation. And so, on average, yes, it's between $3,000 and say $6,000, but that $6,000 can be blown out of the water if you have someone contesting your will. And not to mention the 3+ months that you're in court trying to make sure that the letters of testamentary are given to you, make sure that the will is admitted to probate. No one really think about the time on top of the money. But if you had a trust in place, my friend, what would that mean for you? If you had a trust in place and you properly funded the trust, there will be no need for probate. No need to pay for an attorney like me to take the will to probate. No need for waiting months and months in order to access those assets. You would have it day one. So I hope this video helps so that you can really see that yes, not having an estate plan does cost. It will cost you on the front end before you die, and then it will cost you again when you finally go to meet your maker. If you want to talk about your estate plan, please reach out to us. But always, if you like this video, please click like and please subscribe. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link, and let's get learning together.